Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. Today will be super helpful video guys for any of you doing a timing chain replacement on Bmw N20 or N26 engine. Some of those engines are known for failing timing chain components at very low mileage. This one failed at 70,000 miles and we have one that failed at 87,000 miles. Make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain how that happens and also what tools you need for the timing chain replacement and which vehicles are affected by that guys. We can practically save you $5,000 to $10,000 on future repairs on your BMW. For instance, that same engine N20 N26 engine has been used in BMW guys, starting with 1 series BMW, then you go to 2 series, 3 series, 4, 5 series BMW, X1, X3 and X4 BMWs guys. So if you have such as 320, 328, 520, 528, 220, 228, 125 I think was 128i, all these use that engine guys. With that being said, okay, let me tell you something else. If you need any to buy any of the timing chain tools, components to replace all that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Number 2, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Specifically on this generation BMW, we'll have close to 500 videos guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. So as you know, we bought that BMW not too long ago. We drove it only less than 500 miles because we know that they have problem with the timing chain failing guys. And if you want to see which models are affected, we have a video on the channel that explains that and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Now this one at 71,000 miles guys, when we removed the oil pan, we thought we didn't have any problems. I heard the chain getting a little bit noisy sometimes, okay, a little bit of noise out of the normal, and when we removed the oil pan we found pieces of the timing chain guide, so we were very close to ruining our engine. And right here, that one failed at 87,000 miles on a 528i with the same engine, and this one has 71,000 miles, so that tells you something guys. That's a weak spot on certain years and we have a video that explains that. Also we have a video that explains how to do the timing chain replacement on multiple BMWs with that engine, 3 series, 5 series as well. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Everything from start to finish, super detailed video guys that can be so helpful when you're doing that. All that being said, now this is the tool that we're using. It's a really good quality. This is another tool, 3 tools that you will need guys. One of them is known as a flywheel holder tool. This one right here, this is the flywheel holder tool. Without that tool you cannot get the crankshaft bolt loose and tight or you will damage your engine guys, because if you rely on the TDC pin you will break your engine block and you will need new engine guys, or you won't be able to set the timing correctly. So that tool is one tool that you need guys. It's a must tool. So we will leave that one. What else do you need? 2 more tools. This is the timing chain kit that we have here. It comes with the TDC pin. That's a TDC pin to find top dead center. Timing chain tensioner tool. This is the camshaft holding tool guys. This is the variable timing gears holding tool, and now you need another tool for the oil pump to align the oil pump, and if you want to replace the oil pump timing chain you need that tool as well. We actually improvised, we made our own, but I recommend to just go ahead and buy the new one, because when we made it I still couldn't find any on the markets, but now they have them and I actually ordered one myself, but we'll get it in a couple of days. So quite a few tools and it takes quite a bit of work, but it's doable guys. It's not too complicated as it sounds, but it's time consuming and you will need your car out of service for a couple of days if you're doing it on your own. Practically, if you know what you're doing, you can do it in about a day yourself, but still you may expect some complications. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.